Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to build a glossary or dictionary in WordPress. This is helpful if you want to organize terms, definitions, or useful content on your website. Now, let's go to our WordPress editing dashboard. To add a glossary or dictionary in WordPress, we just need to go to the Plugins section. You can find it on the left side of the dashboard. Once we see it listed under the menu, we just need to click on Plugins. This will take us to the plugin marketplace. From here, we just need to type Glossary in the search bar. Then, we need to choose which glossary or dictionary plugin we want to use. There are options like Encyclopedia, Page of Glossary, or CM Tooltip Glossary. We can pick the one that works best for us. Let's go with the Encyclopedia Glossary. To install it, we just need to click on it. We will then see the options to update and activate. Once that's done, we just need to update and activate the plugin. At this point, we may need to pay for a plan. This will allow us to automatically create a glossary or dictionary page on our WordPress site. Once we complete the payment, the plugin will automatically appear in our WordPress plugins list. This plugin will help us create a glossary or dictionary section using plugins, custom posts, or pages. It will guide us through the setup so we can easily add terms, manage entries, and display them in a clean, user-friendly format. And that's it. Now we know how to build a glossary or dictionary in WordPress.